to use the phone.
Talk to me. Do you have any idea who my husband is? He's not a kind of person who would kill you for touching me.
No, well, your husband's not here. He hasn't paid your ransom, so you're still a prisoner.
You let him to kill me.
She says. I caught her on the stretcher again and died.